Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. Today's video is about 10 places in Positano, a gem of southern Italy. Let's begin and explore the best places in Positano. Welcome to Positano, the gem of southern Italy, where vibrant colors, stunning beaches, and enchanting architecture come together to create a picturesque paradise. Nestled along the Amalfi Coast, Positano exudes an irresistible charm that has captivated travelers for generations. Join us on this delightful journey as we explore 10 of the most beautiful places in Positano, from its iconic beaches and pastel-hued buildings to its local attractions that showcase the essence of this coastal wonderland. Number 10. Spiaggia Grande, the main beach. Our journey begins at the Spiaggia Grande, a main beach that epitomizes the beauty of Positano. With its shimmering blue waters, golden sands, and colorful sunbeds, this beach is a true coastal paradise. Bask under the Mediterranean sun, take a refreshing dip in the clear waters, and indulge in the breathtaking views of the town's pastel-colored buildings cascading down the cliffside. The Spiaggia Grande is a lively hub where locals and visitors alike come together to enjoy the vibrant ambience and the gentle lapping of the waves. Explore the charming seaside cafes and boutique shops lining the promenade, offering a delightful experience day and night. Number 9. Positano's cliffside architecture. As we stroll through the town's labyrinthine streets, we can't help but marvel at Positano's distinctive cliffside architecture. The pastel-hued buildings seem to defy gravity as they perch precariously on the steep slopes, creating a harmonious blend of colors against the turquoise sea. The town's unique vertical design offers picture-perfect vistas at every turn, with hidden alleys leading to breathtaking panoramas. Admire the traditional ceramic tiles adorning the facades, adding a touch of artistic flair to the already charming scene. Capture the beauty of Positano's architecture through your lens, immortalizing the magical allure of this coastal gem. Don't forget to explore the quaint artisan boutiques, offering a wide range of handcrafted products, including ceramic artworks, handmade sandals, and stylish fashion. Number 8. Fornillo Beach. Venturing beyond the Spiaggia Grande, we find Fornillo Beach, a hidden gem nestled between the rocky cliffs. This secluded spot offers a more tranquil atmosphere, making it a favorite escape for those seeking serenity. Relax on the soft sands, take leisurely walks along the shoreline, and admire the fascinating rock formations that frame the beach. Enjoy a delightful meal at one of the beachside restaurants, savoring the flavors of fresh seafood dishes and local delicacies while sipping on refreshing limoncello, a lemon-infused liquor synonymous with the Amalfi Coast. For a more adventurous experience, embark on a boat tour from Fornillo Beach, exploring hidden coves and grottos along the coast, providing an exclusive view of the rugged coastline. Number 7. Santa Maria Assunta Church. No visit to Positano is complete without exploring the iconic Santa Maria Assunta Church, an architectural masterpiece dating back to the 10th century. The church's majestic dome and intricate mosaic work are an impressive sight. Step inside to witness the elegance of the interior, adorned with Baroque-style decorations and precious artworks. One of the church's main highlights is the Byzantine-style icon of the Black Madonna, a revered religious symbol for the local community. The church's peaceful atmosphere offers a moment of reflection and appreciation for the town's cultural heritage. Don't miss the opportunity to attend a Sunday Mass, where you can experience the heartfelt devotion of the local congregation. Number 6. Path of the Gods, Sentiero degli. For nature enthusiasts and hikers, the Path of the Gods is a must-experience adventure. This scenic trail wins its way through the rugged cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, offering panoramic views of Positano and the surrounding landscape. The breathtaking vistas from the trail are unmatched, providing a unique perspective of the town and the azure sea below. The hike takes you through fragrant lemon groves and pristine nature, allowing you to immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of the region. Capture the picturesque moments along the way, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Before embarking on the hike, make sure to carry ample water. Wear comfortable hiking shoes and take breaks at the designated viewpoints to savor the jaw-dropping panoramas. Number 5. Galli Islands. As we sail along the coast, we encounter the Galli Islands, a cluster of small islets shrouded in myths and legends. The islands are said to be the dwelling place of the sirens who seduced sailors with their enchanting songs. Today, these islands offer a stunning backdrop for the azure waters, making them a favorite spot for boat tours and snorkeling excursions. Dive into the crystalline waters to discover an underwater world teeming with marine life, creating a magical experience akin to swimming in a fairy tale. Enjoy a boat tour that includes stops at the Galli Islands, where you can learn about the island's fascinating folklore and discover hidden coves for a private swim. Number 4. Villa Rufolo. In nearby Rufolo, a short drive from Positano, lies the enchanting Villa Rufolo, a historic estate with lush gardens and panoramic terraces overlooking the sea. The villa's history dates back to the 13th century and has served as a source of inspiration for artists and writers, including Richard Wagner. Wander through the vibrant gardens adorned with vibrant flowers, sculptures, and fountains, and explore the panoramic terraces offering sweeping views of the coast below. Visit the auditorium where Wagner once drew inspiration and attend a concert during the Rufolo Festival, a cultural extravaganza that celebrates music and arts. To fully immerse yourself in the villa's charm, consider booking a guided tour to learn about its historical significance and the events hosted there. Number 3. Marina Grande. A short stroll from Positano's town center leads us to the charming Marina Grande, a quaint fishing harbor that exudes authentic Italian charm. Watch as the fishermen return with their daily catch, creating a lively spectacle against the backdrop of colorful boats and the azure sea. Relax at the waterfront cafes and restaurants, enjoying the freshest seafood dishes and traditional pasta recipes. Take a boat tour from the marina to explore the Amalfi Coast hidden coves and grottos, discovering secluded paradises that are only accessible by sea. To experience the fishing culture firsthand, consider arranging a fishing excursion with local fishermen, learning traditional techniques, and perhaps catching a fresh fish for your dinner. Number 2. Positano Ceramic Shops. Positano's artistic heritage is evident in its vibrant ceramic shops, where local artisans craft intricate pottery and ceramics. Stroll along the town's narrow streets, and you'll find an array of shops showcasing hand-painted plates, vases, and tiles, each with its unique design and vibrant colors. Bring home a piece of Positano's artistic flair as a cherished souvenir or gift for loved ones. Some shops even offer ceramic painting classes, allowing you to create your masterpiece and carry a piece of Positano's beauty back home. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the town's ceramic museums and workshops, where you can learn about the intricate craftsmanship behind these unique creations. Number 1. Arienzo Beach. Our final stop takes us to Arienzo Beach, a pristine stretch of coastline a short distance from the town center. Accessible via a scenic walk or by boat, Arienzo Beach offers a quieter alternative to the bustling Spiaggia Grande. Relax on the sun-drenched sands, feeling the gentle sea breeze against your skin. The crystal-clear waters invite you for a refreshing swim, surrounded by the majestic cliffs and lush vegetation. Experience pure serenity on this hidden gem, allowing you to bask in the beauty of Positano away from the crowds. Consider bringing along a picnic basket with local delicacies, creating a memorable beachfront dining experience. That's it. Positano, a gem of southern Italy, is a treasure trove of beauty and enchantment. From its stunning beaches and pastel-hued architecture to its local attractions and cultural heritage, Positano offers an experience that lingers in the heart long after your visit. Whether you're lounging on the sandy shores, exploring the historic landmarks, or immersing yourself in the town's artistic ambience, Positano weaves a spell of allure that leaves no visitor untouched. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of La Dolce Vita, and let Positano enchant you with its coastal charm. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribed to the channel. See you in the next video.